Pepe may see a 5.4% growth by June 24 per digital coin price forecast. Let's begin with a brief look at today's price direction. Pepe has moved lower by 3.6% since yesterday and trades close to $273. Now, let's look at what the analysts expect. CoinDataFlow expects the chart to show $276 by June 24, a gain of roughly 0.9%. Coin price forecast sees a path for Pepe to reach $28, implying a move up of 2.4%. 30 rates points out it could strengthen to $282, a move up of approximately 3.1%. A separate outlook released by digital coin price projects, Pepe could hit $288, a rise of approximately 5.4%. And last but not least, Gov Capital Collector predicts $313 by June 24, a rise of 14.5%. This one gives the best return potential. That's all 5 forecasts for tomorrow. Let's move forward. After summarizing the forecasts, let's dive into the details. After pulling together all available outlooks, the market may move between a rise of 0.9% and an increase of 14.5%, depending on the analyst. The numbers make it clear that Gov Capital Collector predicts the highest return with 14.5% gain in value by June 24. From this, it's clear you could earn between $9 and $145 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility factored in, CoinDataFlow's forecast carries a 92.9% probability of hitting the target. By pulling the forecasts together, I've set out a consensus scenario. The consensus forecast suggests Pepe could rise by about 5.3%. So, let's check it out in detail. Consensus numbers show a 5.3% rise by tomorrow. That translates into your capital growing by approximately 5.3% too. For a 1,000 position, this might point to a possible increase of $53. The consensus scenario holds a likelihood of about 59.3% of taking shape. Before diving deeper, let's take a look at the 3-day projections. Pepe is expected to continue moving higher, CoinDataFlow suggests. Upside potential is likewise noted by Coin Price Forecast, who stays optimistic. Additionally, 30 rates highlights an upward outlook for Pepe. A stronger push upward is also expected by digital coin price. Similarly, Gov Capital Collector suggests the short-term path is upward. When looking at all forecasts side by side, the consensus clearly highlights an upward direction for Pepe in the short term. So, there is complete unity among the forecasts, all pointing to Pepe potentially climbing. At this point, 100% of analysts expect Pepe to move higher, reflecting a clear bullish bias. 5 forecasts came out 2 days ago. Let's see how they compared with reality. As a result, the end-of-day value came to $281. Only one analyst managed to get the trend correct this time. The prediction that aligned most with the actual result was from CoinLore. Let's put all the pieces in place. 4 forecasts ended up inside the daily candle. Speaking of ROI, some predictions turned profitable, but digital coin price topped the list. Now on screen is the full results summary. How the forecast performed after fact-checking. For context, CoinLore shows 0.6% ROI and accuracy. See which forecasts matched the market movement most precisely. Let's see how the consensus-based returns for tomorrow compare among Pepe and a few other cryptocurrencies. Pepe tops the profitability ranking with 5.3% forecasted return. Here we're showing Pepe alongside 4 random cryptocurrencies. The broader comparison is already there on my website. If that was useful, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next forecast. Bye everyone.